Discovering your Chase bank account is frozen can feel like a financial emergency. But don't panic, this guide will show you exactly how to get it back up and running. First, let's understand why your account might be frozen. Common reasons include suspected fraudulent activity, overdrafts, legal orders, or unusual transaction patterns. To kick things off, contact Chase directly. The fastest way is usually by calling the number on the back of your Chase card or visiting your local branch. When you speak with a Chase representative, be prepared to verify your identity. They'll likely ask for your account number, social security number, and other personal information. Next, inquire about the specific reason for the freeze. Knowing the cause is crucial to resolving it. If the freeze is due to suspected fraud, Chase might ask you to verify recent transactions or file a fraud claim. Cooperate fully and provide any necessary documentation, like a police report if applicable. If the freeze is due to an overdraft or unpaid fees, the solution is straightforward. You'll need to deposit funds to cover the outstanding balance. You can usually do this online, at an ATM, or in person. Once you've addressed the reason for the freeze, confirm with the Chase representative that your account will be unfrozen. Ask for a time frame for when you can expect full access to be restored. Finally, keep an eye on your account activity after it's unfrozen to ensure everything is back to normal and there are no unauthorized transactions. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently unfreeze your Chase bank account and get back to managing your finances. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful banking tips.